Hi friends! For Writing Center today, we're going to take the flower that we made and we're going to make it into a special gift for your moms. So in the center of our flower right here on the circle, we're going to write mom. M-O-M. And do you see how I used my very best handwriting? Now on our flower pot, we're going to write I, capital I, and then we're going to put a finger space and we're going to write love. L-O-V-E, love. I love you. Y-O-U, you. And then we're going to write that big fancy word that we use because. B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because. And then I'm going to put 3 little dots. 1, 2, 3. So we have mom, I love you because. And now look at my handwriting. I'm writing in my very nicest handwriting. Now on each flower petal, we're going to think of a reason why we love our moms. And our moms are all special and amazing. I love you because. So I'm going to think of a reason why I love my mom. I love her because she always helps me. If there's anything that I ever need, she always helps me. So I'm going to go to my first flower petal. So I have mom. I love you because, and then I'm going to write the word you again, a sight word, Y-O-U. And then I'm going to sound out the word help, but it's also a sight word, so I know how to spell that one. Help. Oh, because you help me. Because you help me. So mom, I love you because you help me. Now on each petal, I'm going to write another reason why I love my mom. You're going to do the same. So think of all the reasons why you love your moms. And I know there are so many reasons. You're going to try to pick your top ones. And you're going to write on each petal in your very best kindergarten handwriting and stretching out those words, all the reasons why you love your mommies. All right, friends, Mrs. Newlands and I will see you back here soon.